really strict for residents and businesses to follow their permits. So people aren't familiar with, oh, I can't paint my house this way, I have to do this for my business, and they're really confused on what is the procedures, so they're trying to make it AI driven and almost have like that chat bot or conversational. So maybe this would be good too. You do
Excellent,
city?
excellent.
Have you?
Yeah.
So this is, you can jot it down. It's called the City of Coral Gables, just where
Okay.
the University of
Okay.
Miami is. And I can, once we see something that's interesting, we can have a call, maybe with one of your folks that does cities. You know.
Absolutely. Yeah, we do a lot of work with the cities, fire departments, PD.
Yeah, yes,
all
and
that,
that's what they're in charge of. They're with the fire department, with the PD, but they also have a section of that trying to do innovative initiatives, and I'm working with them on
we
that.
do. I've seen quite a few implementations for our call centers in social service environments as well, for high flow inbound calls kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
And then they
absolutely.
also want for not even as contact for the high call for the police and the fire department also, but even inquiries. I don't know, from businesses, residents. How do I go through the steps? What is my
Does
process?
it know anybody that can terminate a phone call at the chat
Absolutely.
bot?
So
Yeah.
do you know if
Like
anybody
800 call,
can I?
800 chat GPT.
So if I had an 800 number, could I terminate it at one of your
Chatbots.
chatbots?
Yeah, so more or less it would be, instead of a patron or somebody interested in speaking with you guys, instead of them jotting down that 800 number, it'd be a click to call.
I'll click to call. So they
Yeah,
would.
so it would run straight to your team's phone number that you assign to it, kind of thing. So there's no need for that additional fee for all your 800 numbers that you have.
Okay, so let me add. Is there a way? Maybe what I think that meeting, that conference is next month, and in the past, companies have invited me. Is there somewhere where I can get an invitation? I think there's a code or something from your folks, and I can set up a meeting where I can meet them there.
Yeah, absolutely. I can make some introductions to your account manager. Taylor would definitely know how to do that. Absolutely.
Yeah. So if you can reach out.
Yeah, I'll make the introduction and just let them know that I'll send all the notes from our conversation here, basically what you're looking for. It's a very broad picture, so you might want to, have a quick conversation, see if you can narrow it down and see what you'd like to do and what order.
Yeah,
kind of
there's
thing,
so many,
but, yeah.
that's what I'm saying. There's so many different ones, and I'm just trying to figure out in terms of your products. Maybe let me have my colleague here, my tech person here. Do you want to ask him any questions here?
I'd like you to call 800, call GPT so he understands, because he thinks only...
So let me just get my phone just to make sure that you can think about
When you
it.
dial,
Yeah.
here, dial from here.
Yeah, so let me just even dial from my phone here.
Dial 800
Yeah.
chat GPT.
I'm
Tell
gonna
him what
just,
you're doing.
I'm just gonna dial. If I have my dialer here. You see it on my phone, and if I go 1-800 chat, so chat is C. So what number is it on the keypad?
To dial the
1-800
to dial the inbound from the meeting invite.
No, for 1-800. Chat GPT. You've heard of that, right, Joseph?
Yes.
So what they have now is they have a phone number, and the phone number spells 1-800 chat CHAT GPT.
Well, dial the number.
No, I'm not familiar with that.
Yeah.
Let him see an example.
So I'm going to show you an example. So I'm dialing 1-800, and now I have chat.
22.
So it's C for 2 for the C, H for 2, and then I'm going to do 8 for the T, and then it's going to be 478. So it's 1-800, and even if you put it in a dialer, if you put it in a regular dialer, you can dial 1-800, even just the letters Chat GPT,
Press call.
and then I could press the call.
Turn on the speaker.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Ask him about audio codes.
I want to know about audio codes. Can you tell me what they do?
Audio Codes is a company that specializes in advanced voice networking and media processing solutions. They offer products and services for VoIP, voice over IP, including session border controllers, media gateways, and IP phones. They're all about enabling seamless and high-quality voice communications for businesses. What else would you like to know?
Can they connect a toll-free number to a chatbot?
Could you clarify what you'd like to know more about?
Can they connect a toll-free number to a chatbot?
Certainly, a toll-free number allows callers to reach a business without being charged for the call. It's often used for customer service or support. Did you want info on setting one up?
No,
Are
thank
you.
you.
Looking to contact a specific company?
Thank
All
you.
right. If
Bye.
you need more info, just let me know.
Bye. You see that?
Yeah, that's very cool. Yeah,
So
I
we
didn't
were-
know it did that.
What? Yeah. So, this was just released a couple of months ago. It will work, Joseph, on any phone line. So even a regular landline, a regular old POTS line, you pick it up, you dial 1-800-CHAT-GPT, and you will get CHAT-GPT. You will get this one.
Oh, that is very cool. I like that.
Right? So let's say even grandma can, doesn't have a computer, can call, you say go to your landline and call 1-800, or you don't have a computer, you don't even have internet, you just have your plain old telephone line, plus it'll work on any cell phone or VoIP device. So I was wondering if you had something like that we could use, like, Go Canes,
Then it can route the call.
So it could route the call at that point. At this point, what do you want? Development? Do you want registration?
Yes, instead of pressing 3 on
Yeah,
live
right.
chat, recognition.
Right.
Absolutely, yes. Our VOCA, VOCA software does offer that as well. Yes.
Yes, but you don't have to press 3. You can just say,
But I can say that rather than pressing. I can say I need development.
Absolutely. Absolutely, yes.
Anything else you'd like?
another one is 640.
Okay, he got that.
Call
out there.
Sam.
Right. There's another one that
Show
you
him
can.
an example.
Another one is 640. Call
640.
640. Call Sam. So if I type in 640, and then I type in
22.
call
Not call.
C-A-C,
2255.
call Sam, S-A-M. So it's 640, call Sam. It's like Sam is Samantha for its
Turn
AI.
the speaker on and maximize the audio.
So this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
So you understand? So it's the same kind of thing that it will, and then it'll transfer you over.
But it is a local area code.
But that is a local
Absolutely.
area code of 640 rather than 1-800. So we
Understood.
wanted,
Yeah, that's
so what we wanted to do is to have like a AI bot, and then we would be able to train our AI bot with information that we had from the city of Coral Gables, something like that,
yeah, that's definitely something we offer in our call center portfolio.
Okay, and then you have it and how difficult is it to program the bot with our
We
information?
We could give you a step-by-step instruction on that, or we can manage that completely. We have a design and implementation team that can do all of that for you. We would just work with you guys in exactly how we would design that and meet everything that you need. And we would just basically take that off of your plate and process that. Yeah, no problem.
Ask him if any universities have ever taught it in the curriculum.
Have you guys ever been like guest speakers at any universities talking about any of this?
Yes, we have, and I know that many times companies use our logo just for brand recognition as well. I know that we've done quite a bit of that, absolutely, yes.
Maybe we can arrange that too, that you guys, we can,
come and speak about it.
that somebody can come and speak about it, even online. You know, they don't have to come now, right? They don't have to come physically. And I do a number of seminars.
On Zoom.
On Zoom. I do a number of seminars on Zoom on technology. So maybe we can have
Absolutely.
We could have one of you folks
we'd be
be
more
a
than
guest.
happy to join something like that.
Yeah, and we're talking about technology and especially what's available. I do it for a number of executives and also for the city of Coral Gables. So I have sessions where I talk about, I'll say today I'm going to be talking about audio, you know, the audio, how to do, they're looking for chatbots into their websites, how to do basically inbound call centers and just bring in companies, you know.
Well, the same time, Monday and Wednesday.
So about Mondays and Wednesdays I'm doing it.
The same time.
Around the same time, in the late afternoon, early evening.
Yeah.
So we can set something like that up where I could then invite a number of people and you can come, you know, for maybe like a half hour and give you know, we can have it. One is you can give a talk and two, it can almost be like a fireside chat where people have questions. And maybe you can even share things and demonstrate. So you can write that down as well.
Yep. And so, just another point here.
Yeah.
You'd mentioned write that down a couple of times, but meeting insights, you'll see here.
Oh, okay. Oh,
once
yeah,
I send
everything's
out the
there.
note.
Right.
I didn't want you to think, oh, I tell him to write it down and he's not writing it, you know. It'll have a bullet list of everything.
Yeah, right. Everything all these demands that I'm giving you.
And every time you mention something along the lines of, let me jot that down.
Right. That's even better. I do that. I need to make sure. You almost have to change your speech. You know, these are the tasks. These are our next steps. And then it'll put it in the task for it to be done.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, and that's usually how I'll end the call with my customers or